Alright guys, we're going to be opening up thing I got from Roger Ribs. From What's Not. Let's do this. Let's see what he got me. I know what it is. It's packs, but you open, it's an auction. So let's see what we get. See what we get here, guys. There we go. We got it. Here we go. Jeez, it's hard wrapping. Alright. I'm gonna be opening it. There we go. There we go. It's open. Careful. Alright. There we go. Oh, that's cool. Here we go. Jeez, you put it all in there. Wow. We're going to check this out now and then do the rest. Okay, guys. We got this and this. Let's check them out. And you'll see the price here in a second. You'll see how much it cost. It's crazy. Alright, guys. Let's open it. Alright, here we go. Here. Alright. Let's open it up. Okay. You guys are seeing this? Awesome, right? You seeing these? Here. Here we go, guys. Right here, now you can see better. We're going to go for the first one. Whoa, look at that. Me too. You too. Let's go. Oh, Squirtle, let's go. And, ooh. All right, we got the rares. And for our bulk, doesn't matter. So we did good. These are the big hits today. Hit that subscribe button if you go get cards from Roger Rib. It's awesome. Off of Whatnot. Jeez, look at that. Me too. All right, subscribe.